My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Renew Search. In fact, this is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser called Renew Search. And the site that is related to the extension is renewsearch.com. This particular extension is classified as some helpful tool that can improve your browsing experience. It says that Renew Search provides additional search options when a user hits a dead end or site that is unavailable. But the point is that this particular extension actually functions as a typical browser hijacker because it may change a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. So when you submit certain search queries, you may sometimes get the results by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. It doesn't always happen, by the way, but it might depend on some regional settings of your computer. So anyway, this Renew Search is not the good software, and we recommend you to get rid of it as soon as you can. This Renew Search browser hijacker may also display advertisements sometimes, and also may point you to many unwanted websites without your intention. So we recommend you to get rid of this browser extension by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them here. So disable and remove the extension. We also recommend researching the computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.